Attention, this is an urgent message. The asteroid is within minutes to even just seconds from reaching Earth. There is a PDS evacuation order. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. We will be covering this live starting right now, and we may lose signal very soon.
Now let's have a look at the sky in Kamumuhawarhihibrud. Okay, nothing yet. Wait, what's that? It almost looks like a tiny bright dot in the sky. That I think is not the moon, but is something else. And I also just noticed, look at the sky. Do you see that? It looks way darker than normal. There are even no clouds in Kamumuhawarhihibrud at the moment.
Welp, this thing is broken. I guess it's time to say goodbye.
Okay. I think this is working properly. Alright, so there is an attack warning for southeastern West Virginia, southern, central, and northwestern Virginia, and northern